Hi, my name is Katie, and today we are going to cover lesson 14, which was about building models with mongoose. Okay, so I'm just going to go over the code. So over here in the main JS, we have the setup with the code uses Express for a web framework to create the app, and then it uses Mongoose, a library, to interact with the MongoDB database, and then the EJS layout is used for rendering the views and the template-based HTML. Now I'm moving on to the database connection. So over here, the connection to the MongoDB database is hosted locally with the MongoDB. Over here, this code that I highlighted, and it logs a message once the connection is established. And then the database operation. So it creates a new record document in the subscriber collection with a name and email. And then it searches for the document in the subscriber collection where the name is Jada, and then it logs the result or any errors that may occur. And then the application settings sets the port to 3000 on the environment port, and then it says the EJS view engine rendering the templates. And then I'm going over to the middleware. So over here, our middleware is okay. It's the static files like CSS and the images, and that's in the public folder. And then it passes the URL code and the JSON format request, and then it logs the request path in the custom function from the home controller. And then it handles the post request at the root, and then it logs request data, request body, and request query. And then we have the error handling, logs errors, and responds to custom messages from the error control over here. Basically, to log a message. And I'm gonna show the terminal to show you exactly what the output would be. So once the database is successfully connected, we'll see a message successful connected to MongoDB using MongoMoose. Over here, and where we log the console is over here, as you can see it appeared. And then that just confirms that the app is connected to the MongoDB instance, and then also creating a subscriber document when the code creates a document. So like the name is Jada and it gives the email. In the subscriber collection, if successful, it will log a created document, something like this, as it did. And also, when the code searches for the documents in the subscriber collection with the name Jada, and if it is found, it logs the matching documents like ID, name, email, and V, as it is done over there. And that is it for lesson 14. Thank you for watching.